See that ridge behind me? There's a white cross at the top of that. And I'm gonna do what we call a micro-tiny hike. It's pretty much straight up and straight down. Bruh, what's up with the toe shoes? I like wearing them, man. I can wear them in the water when I'm paddling. I can wear them when I'm running. I just wear them all around. Since being on the island, I'm so used to wearing slippers, flip-flops. Q's out of shape. It's epic, but it's kind of a little junky, but I guess I had to carry all that wood up here. And whoa! All right, going up was kind of slow. Well, let's say let's bomb it. Let's bomb the hill down, right? Let's go. Whew. All right, about 20 minutes up, 10 minutes down. Fred Flintstone style.